So today I'm in Ashwater and I'm at Cottage. It's lovely here. The property was built in 2000 and it's got plenty of character. There's lots of little nooks and crannies and it's a beautiful property. There's 5 bedrooms in all because they've gone up into the loft space meant to form a lovely big room up there with an ensuite bathroom. And the property itself's got this lovely kitchen that runs through, the seating area runs through into a dining room, and that, if you want it to, brilliant party house, opens out into the living room. It's got a beautiful fireplace and a multi-fuel burner in there. You've got all the usual stuff. You've got a snug as well, but you've got the utility room, downstairs shower room, ensuite bathroom, and it's lovely, and you can see behind me lovely enclosed garden, well looked after, and parking in the garage and on the drive. So if you want to find out more, watch the rest of the video and book your viewing.